Morons Hawks. Hello guys, it's the Morons Hacks, and today we're gonna drive this beautiful 330D E91 with 231 horsepower. It's pretty basic but pretty standard options, but still has sport suspension, nice 6-cylinder diesel engine and a manual transmission with 6 speeds. So let's go drive this beautiful road, which I call mini Nurburgring, mini ring near home. Okay, let's go guys. These cars are made to handle really well, really one of the best handling. Third series is the E90 platform. You feel everything, just everything, and with a sport suspension setting like this car, it's really adorable. And if it's a petrol version, it's even more controllable and responsive through the RPMs. You can see what the speeds can this car make on these corners, and I'm not pushing it to the limits, of course, because it's not my car and I'm not acknowledged with the tires and the brakes and so on. So always drive a little bit below your maximum level to be comfort for you. Nice brakes, big brakes, stop really well. Here is the highway of Nurburgring, the most fastest one. It transfers the load very nice through the corners. And when the third series slides, it's really controllable, not like 7 series. Because you feel it very early, starting to slide, and you can react. Okay, let's cool the car down a little bit. It's not a race car, and it's an old car, so full throttle. very stiff, very precise steering, even after so many years. Really great job done by BMW. And I don't feel it's an estate driving, actually. It feels really stiff. So guys, thank you for watching this video. You can subscribe for more cars, for more driving. You can watch our reviews and POVs and whatever you like. Thank you for being with us and staying with us and subscribing for us. Stay healthy. Bye guys.